Hi everyone, this is a quick video that just goes over how to interact with my How to Compost website. I prepared this site and the materials on it to educate people on both indoor and outdoor composting methods. I hope to encourage everyone through education to compost. This information explains how to compost no matter where you live. So this is my home page. These pictures are just some inspiration for everyone to try and do their best to help the planet. Why compost is, I just put a little information in there, included some links so that you could see how composting could help the world. The guide is a quick infogram of the learning that's included for the lessons. I'm going to come back to the lessons and move straight on to the DIY links. I included this because I love DIY, and when I start a new project, I want to know any way I can save money, how I can get started right now and not have to wait to budget. The contact page is just a quick place where if you would like to add a comment or you would like to just give some suggestions, you can quickly pop your information in there and send it. The lessons, if you click on lessons, it'll bring you to this page where you can navigate from lesson 1 to lesson 3, or you can click on lesson 1 basic and it'll bring you to the main page for lesson 1. It gives a quick objective so that you know exactly what we're going to be going over. This video right here includes the learning, and here is a short quiz to check your knowledge. All of the lesson pages are designed exactly the same. An objective, the video, and a quick quiz all the way through, and also to lesson 3. That's it. Y'all have a good night.